One day little 12-years-old girl asked her father,
"What are you going to gift me for my next birthday?"
Father smiled and said,
"There is much time, so wait till your birthday."
Just after few days of this conversation, the girl fainted and was rushed to the hospital. After checking on girl, doctor came out and informed family that girl had a bad heart and probably she will die. Everyone in family was shocked to hear that and didn't know what to do. While girl was lying on bed in hospital and her father was sitting near her, she asked,
"Daddy, am I gonna die?"
Father replied,
"No, dear. You will live."
He gave her a warm hug and kissed her on forehead and left weeping. Girl said,
"How can you be so sure, Daddy?"
Father turned around and replied,
"I know."
After some time girl got treated and was recovering. At same time she turned 13. After she came home, she found a letter on her bed. It says,
"My sweet kid, if you are reading this, it means everything went well. As I told you. You remember? Once you asked me, what am I gonna gift you for your birthday? Well, at that time I didn't know what I am gonna give you. But now my present to you is my heart."
Father donated his heart for her daughter. Moral: our parents loves us. Make selfless sacrifices to keep up happy and safe. So, always respect and love your parents, because you don't know what they had given up for you.